Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making chocolate ganache 3 ways. But before we get started, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Alright, let's get started. List of ingredients, very simple. We have heavy cream and chocolate chips. For this first recipe, we'll start off with equal amounts, chocolate versus cream. So I'm using 7 ounces of chocolate and 7 ounces of cream. Okay, we'll go ahead and take that and microwave that for 1 minute. And then we'll let it sit for 1 minute to allow the chocolate to start to melt before stirring. It'll take a couple of minutes to combine, so just be patient and stir gently. It will come together. So as you can see here, it's pretty fluid. What we'll go ahead and do is cover this in plastic. Be sure the plastic touches right up against the ganache so no skin or crust forms on top. We'll allow that to cool slightly for about an hour at room temperature. So after an hour, as you can see, the mixture has become quite a bit thicker. This consistency is great for dipping or pouring. Alright, and then we'll go ahead and cover the mixture one more time, wrapping it tightly in plastic. We'll set that aside for about another 3 to 4 hours just to firm up quite a bit. This will be the perfect consistency for piping. So in the meantime, we'll grab a piping bag. And this I fitted with just a star tip. And this is great for making a swirl. And the third and final way, I'm going to make chocolate truffles. So same ingredients here, just the ratio is a bit different. 2 parts chocolate to 1 part cream. So here we have 6 ounces of chocolate and 3 ounces of cream. We'll microwave that for 1 minute and allow it to rest for 1 minute before stirring. Once your mixture has come together, if you happen to see any lumps of chocolate remaining, you can go ahead and put it back in the microwave in 15-second intervals, stirring in between until everything is melted. So once again, we'll go ahead and cover this tightly in plastic wrap. This time we will put it in the refrigerator for about an hour to firm up quite a bit. I wouldn't recommend any longer than an hour, however, because what we're going to do is scoop this using a springform cookie scoop. I'll leave the link in the description below where you can get one. after we've scooped all of the chocolate ganache, what we'll do is pop this back into the refrigerator for about another hour. At this point, we want it to firm up quite a bit so that we can roll it between our palms and make it nice and round. And then we can go ahead and roll this in toppings. Here I have some rainbow sprinkles. But you can use other toppings as well, such as nuts, powdered sugar, cocoa powder. Here we have some shredded coconut, which is my favorite. And also chocolate sprinkles. And there you have it, chocolate ganache 3 ways. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe down below, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.